Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to run a JavaScript program or code using Node.js. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so I'm using Visual Studio Code that is free to download. A very code editor, no? You can use your editor that you like or prefer, no? So we have var A, let's say we have 5, var B, let's say we have 6, and then we have var sum as our assignment statement, and then I initialize with 0. So var sum equals open and close parentheses A plus B. So basically this program will add the sum of variable A, which has a value of 5, and then variable B, which has a value of 6. So 5 plus 6, we have 11. So to display, console log open parentheses double quotation the sum of space plus A and plus B is plus sum plus double quotation period semicolon. Okay, the next step that we will do guys is to save our work. Press Ctrl S from our keyboard. Let's say for example sum.js. Click the save button. Okay, so after we have done, we go to our terminal window, issue a command node space sum.js. Press the enter key in our keyboard. So we have here the result. The sum of 5 and 6 is 11. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and run a JavaScript program using Node.js. As I said, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.